around 20 of those were either global launches or launches for the China market.
We've launched like 3 products, and it is like their global first launch for CIIE.
We introduced about 15 new products, new launch in China in this year.
This year, we brought 2 new products.
The 7th edition of the China International Import Expo offers countries and companies a grand platform to showcase their products and services and a valuable opportunity to tap into the vast Chinese market. At this year's CIIE, over 400 new products, technologies, and services from around the world are being showcased. What are these debut products about? Why is the CIIE an ideal platform for the lineup of debuts? Exhibitors have shared their goals and aspirations.
It's a measurement and analytics tool. It's used in the chemicals, the oil and gas, and the hydrogen industry segments.
There are new sunscreen and powder in bar to China for the first time.
On-the-go shaver, portable toothbrush, the hair dryer. But it's not only about the dryer, but also a measurement for the scalp.
It's the first ever flow cytometer which combines the technology of imaging and the spectral flow together.
CIIE is helping us connect. It's helping us connect with the local environment, with the customers, with the partners, and with the governments.
The CIIE is the biggest touch point for us to connect with consumer Chinese market. We strongly believe this event makes us understand Chinese consumers' needs more widely and deeply.
CIIE is not only a platform that we face to the consumers, but also a kind of exposure and also the connections to really amplify the technologies and also elevate the health qualities to the consumers.
We believe CIIE will be a very good platform for multinational companies to really to bring in new product, new innovation, to really to showcase to the stakeholders in China.
The debut effect reflects the increasingly close ties between foreign exhibitors and the Chinese market.
Chinese market is the second biggest market for Philips. We think it's a very, very important market. It's not only about the consumption market, but it's also like the insight generation and also innovation generation hub.
China is a high potential market for the development of medical devices. The attractiveness of China to really drive the multinational companies to bring the most innovative product to this country and to really serve the customer.
China is a very important overseas market. We will create more high-quality products and innovative solutions through methods such as technological innovation and co-creation with partners.
China is extremely important for our company. It is a very large market, but it also is a very advanced market. We found increasingly that the appetite of our Chinese customers for digitally advanced solutions, for artificial intelligence empowered solutions, is actually enormous. It's tremendous, and it's the forefront of developments